Hi, I'm Christina at alias Josie Photography, and today I'm going to show you two of my most requested maternity shots. They are both silhouettes, but they are very different. We'll start with this beautifully bright, light, and airy vibe. So I want to show you how we get that faux window look. What we have is the Godox light here with an umbrella just to soften it a little bit. The light shines through this grid and the curtains, creating the illusion of window panes on the other side. And then we have our gorgeous model, Shalini, here. I like to make sure that hair and wardrobe are in place. This simplifies my editing task later, and then I will walk you through a few different poses. And I am shooting at about a 4.0. Speed's 250, and my light is currently set at 1/4. I'm going to start with a full length shot. You want to see what it looks like in the camera before I shoot, and then when the flash goes off, this is what we get. All right, look down toward your belly. And then just a little bit out the window with your face. You're daydreaming. Moving on to that dark, moody vibe, we are going to use a strip light. It's still the Godox, but this time it has a strip light, and this grid on the front helps keep the light from spreading out. Now I'm going to start with it 45 degrees in front of her, so it's not the true silhouette, but it's a really cool shot. And for this one, my speed has moved up to 640, and I brought myself up to 50. So it's made it really dark in the room, which is obviously it's light in here, but when we shoot this shot, looking straight ahead, Shalini, look down toward your belly just a little. This is what we actually get.
Tiny kicks, I feel you near. Growing strong, my precious dear. Sweet dreams whisper.
Oh, it's so pretty. Look down at your tummy with a big smile. Gorgeous. Now, slightly different version. And this is the real silhouette. Is when we bring the light behind her. So this grid, as it comes out, it's only going to wrap and hit just the very edges of her body and her face. So we're going to get a real outline. And one more time, just look down toward your belly for me.
Sleep tight, little star so bright.
Perfect. And now you can see it is just the belly, the very edges. I hope you enjoyed my video. Please like and subscribe.